In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recreate a song in Suno AI. Before we touch the app, a quick reality check. You can't legally or technically recreate an exact copyrighted song in Suno. Same melody, vocals, or structure. What you can do is craft a sound-alike inspired version that captures the vibe, genre, energy, and style without copying the original. That's the approach most AI creators use, and it's the right way to stay creative and compliant. Start by analyzing the original track you're inspired by. Listen deliberately and jot down what you hear. Identify the genre, whether it's pop, drill, rock, lo-fi, or a ballad. Note the mood. Is it dark, happy, emotional, or moody and atmospheric? Estimate the tempo as fast or slow, and list the key instruments you notice, maybe piano and 808s, a gritty guitar, a warm synth pad, or an acoustic kit. Pay attention to the vocal style too. Rapped, soft and breathy, auto-tuned lead, stacked harmonies, or choir textures. Finally, summarize the energy level from laid back to high intensity. These notes become the foundation of your prompt. Now open Suno AI, log in, click Create, and switch to advanced mode so you have more control. When you write your prompt, don't name the song or artist. Instead, describe the inspiration. You can frame it as a pop song style recreation, drill song style recreation, rock song style recreation, emotional ballad style, or lo-fi style recreation. Combine that with your notes. Mention the mood, instruments, and tempo you want. For example, you might say you want a modern pop vibe, mid-tempo, warm synths, punchy drums, and a soft, emotive vocal tone. Guide the structure as well. Most songs follow a familiar pattern: intro, verse, chorus, outro. Tell Suno the shape you want with a line like structured pop song with verse and chorus progression, strong hook and chorus. This helps the model aim for a catchy lift where it matters. Control how close it feels by tuning your language. For a closer vibe, use phrases like same energy, similar mood, or modern style if followed by the genre. If you need it to drift further from the reference, change the genre, swap instruments, or alter the tempo. Generate and refine. Click, create and compare version 1 and version 2. Note what's working: drums, tempo, vocal tone, hook, and what's off. If it isn't close enough, adjust your mood words, tempo cues, and instrument descriptions, then regenerate. Iterate a few times until the essence fits your target while staying original.